Rats in your car cabin can cause serious damage, making it essential to take steps to keep them away. Begin by thoroughly vacuuming your car cabin. Pay special attention to the seats, floor mats, and corners to remove any crumbs that might attract rats. Keeping the interior clean is the first and most important step in preventing rat infestation. Peppermint oil's strong scent naturally repels rats, helping keep your car cabin fresh and rodent-free. Pour a generous amount of peppermint oil onto the vent diffuser pad, making sure it is thoroughly soaked so the scent can penetrate and last longer. Once the pad is ready, place the diffuser on the vent and let it work. It will release a strong peppermint aroma that helps repel rats from your car cabin. Using a quick snap rat trap is another effective method to keep rodents away from your car. These traps work instantly and can be placed inside the car cabin or near the tires to target active rat pathways. This helps reduce infestations and prevents rats from entering your vehicle. If your car is parked in a garage, placing bait stations around the area is an effective way to control rodent activity. Position these stations near walls or entry points where rats commonly travel. This helps reduce their presence in the garage and lowers the chances of them entering your car cabin. The Grid Guard rat protection system is an effective solution to keep rats away from your car. It creates a protective barrier around the engine bay and cabin, safeguarding critical components. The electrified surface delivers a safe electric shock, similar to an electric fence, to any rat that comes into contact with it. Rats find this uncomfortable, effectively repelling them without harming your vehicle. Easy to install and long-lasting, the Grid Guard system ensures your car stays safe and rat-free, reducing costly repairs and maintaining a secure driving environment. Yeast produces a strong odor when it reacts with moisture, which naturally repels rats and helps protect your car. Take a plastic bowl and add 3 tablespoons of flour. The flour helps bind the ingredients and hold the scent together. Then add 2 tablespoons of dry yeast. Its strong smell, when it reacts with moisture, is especially repelling to rats. Next, add 1 tablespoon of grated cheese. The cheese enhances the scent, and when combined with the yeast, it creates an odor that rats cannot stand. Mix everything well and place the bowl near your car, in the garage, or anywhere rats are likely to enter. This is a natural and safe way to help protect your car from rats. By following these protective measures, you will keep your car cabin safe, fresh, and completely free of rats.